Hi guys, it's Mrs. Perkins here. Today we're talking about Module 4, Lesson 7. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to compare two numbers and tell which number has the greater value. So, looking at this, we have some pictures to represent two numbers. Okay? So what we're going to do is that we're going to figure out what numbers these pictures are representing, and then we're going to figure out which one is greater, and then we're going to do the statement at the bottom. So this first one has two bundles of 10, and then 1, 2, 3, 1. So let's count it. Now remember, we count our 10s first, and then for our ones, those separate ones right here, we count one more for each of them. So 10, 20. Now I have to start counting my 1, 21, 22, 23. So it's 23. Now let's look at the next picture. This one has 1, 2, 3 10s and 1, 2, 1. So let's see. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. So now I'm going to circle which one is bigger. Well, looking at this, I know that 32 is bigger because it has one more 10 than 23 does. So looking at this, it says blank is less than blank. So we have to say which one is less than first, then which one is greater than. Well, we know that 23, that's the one that's less, and 32 is one that's greater. So it says is less than. That means the one that's less than goes first. One that's smaller goes first. Okay, so 23 is less than 32. Because we know that 23 is smaller than 32. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.